Well, today is day 2 of building the chicken coop. Yesterday we did really good putting up the metal part of it. It went really smooth. So it got too hot when we started putting on the chicken wire. The way we're putting on the chicken wire is a little bit more sturdier than what you could do. You could just put it up with the zip ties and it probably wouldn't take much time at all. But Frank wants it to be really fortified. He's trying to keep as much predators out as we possibly can. So we're actually bending some of the little wire here around the poles and stuff and kind of bending it and twisting it together so it will be a little bit more sturdier. So it's taken us a little bit longer. We also moved the chicken coop over here so the sun is out, but yet we're in the shade so we'll be able to do the work. Anyways, today we're going to be putting on the top of the chicken coop, the fronts, the backs, and then hopefully it'll be done. What we have to do is take that roll of chicken wire and bring it right here to the bar and bring it over. And so we're going to have to cut it in 6 different pieces. And then what I was saying earlier about kind of fortifying it a little bit more by bending wire and stuff. Let me bring you in closer here so you can kind of see. So they have all these little pegs here, or I don't know what you want to call them. But you just bend it up. If we really want to...
What it was is when we cut the chicken wire, we came right in here, right here, and cut this part of it in half so that it gives you 2 nice long tails to either start or end.
Yeah, that's a good way of saying it. A tail. Yeah. Yep, there's an ant. I pissed off some ants today. I killed their mounds.
There you go. There you go.
We don't lift up that.
Perfect. Good idea. Good idea.
Okay, as you can see, the roof is all on. And each individual one is twisted down. And now it's time to do the back half.
I'm already seeing that what they expect you to do is just zip tie across that with a few zip ties.
Yep.
Why don't we take this, get the length that we need, and come back and cut this off. The one single, it gives us all these little pieces and we wrap them. And then tie the whole thing together.
Let's do it. It'll be a 3-day project, but let's go for it.
You being funny? I don't know how else to make it better.
That's fine. Let's go for it, honey.
It'll be easy.
Yeah, it's going to be easy.
All right, I need you to hold on to this side and...
It's not easy on the fingers.
I'll do it. You can take a break. I need you to hold this side so we can just get a length on it. We don't even have to hold it up there, we just go across the bottom. We need 2 of them. Okay, so I'm going to get this one here in the middle. That's where we're going to go, the middle right there. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Lay that over there like that.
Yeah.
Tie it in.
All right, so the back of the coop is done, the back wall. And now all that's left is the front. And And then there's a tarp that's going to go over top of the back wall. I mean, the back roof. Okay, so we got these little openings right here and the door. Okay, so the triangle on the top's done. What the instructions said to do was to cut it into 3 pieces. To cut a piece here, a piece here, and a piece here. Well, Frank had the great idea, why do that? Let's just do all one piece. So we put one piece up, and we're cutting out a part of the door, and now we're wrapping around the poles to hold them in place. All right, today is day 3 of a project that should have only taken 1 day. But we are finishing it up. We're going to be cutting the ties, putting the roof over top of it, and we'll be done. So let's get to work and start cutting some ties. All right, we got all of the zip ties cut. Last thing we have to do is to put the tarp on. And so it's a white tarp that only goes on about 1/3 of the coop. And then they get tied down with these little bungee things. So Frank and I are just gonna get that on. There we go. Just like that, simple pimple. Oh, that didn't sound good. That's simple. And the other thing that Frank did was he finished the door. This is the little latch. You have to kind of push down a little bit on it. It just kind of flips up. And then the door can open either way. And then it has that little latch to secure it so our little chickie babies are safe. And it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. The chicken coop did take a little bit longer than we had expected, but it turned out absolutely wonderful.
Thank you again for clicking on our channel. Join us out here at Burkeshire Farm. If you're a subscriber, we want to thank you very, very much for clicking on our videos and watching our videos and hitting that like button for us. And until next time,
Have a blessed day.
God bless.